All right, this condensation in the attic. Okay, you can see that. Look at that. Right, and this is basically all over the attic, or at least just having a look right now, it looks like it's just on the side of the house that's not facing the sun. Let me have a little look. 1 second.
This is so cold.
1 second, dudes. Yo. There's loads of stuff in here which yeah, look, other side over here. Look at that, guys. Brand new. Brand new, no issues.
Dada, can I go up?
This side over here, look at the state. No, don't come up, stay there.
Why?
Because you might get hurt, come on.
I won't get hurt.
No, listen, stay there, it's too high up this little ladder. Enough now, I'm busy. Right, and look at that now, look. Look at how wet that piece of wood is there.
Of course it's not.
I don't like this kind of stuff, guys.
Of course I won't.
And also, is that,
Of course I won't.
the screws coming out of you, the nails coming out there, the screws, is that healthy? This one's all the way in. What's that about? Oh, man. Yeah, so that's annoying. But look at how wet that is, guys, yeah? Look at the water going down that beam of wood. And if there's a roofer out there, someone tell me, is this a bad thing, this coming out of here? Because I think that one's a bit loose too. So someone tell me, if you're a roofer, someone help me out. Right. And there's another wet beam further on. Anyway, apparently what's supposed to solve it is supposed to be a relatively cheap fix. Okay. And that cheap fix, apparently, is these vents that you can get. All right. Something lab vent, something like that. I'll put the name on the screen somewhere. All you got to do is slot them in. So you slot them in. You slot them into like the gaps here in the cloth. See the gap like that? You slot it into there. That improves the airflow, and you're off to the races. All right. Now, when you slot them in, don't do them all on the same level. For example, you should stagger them. All right. So, like one there, one there, one there. Did you get it all the way around? So just stagger them around. Okay. And yeah, apparently that should solve this. Maybe I'll let you know how it goes in the comments. But another brilliant issue that you can have in houses that people just don't tell you about, that you just don't know about. Like, why didn't the house just come with this? Another thing is, apparently, the things that you are putting in the attic could be preventing the airflow. All right. Or even that insulation there, like maybe it's even that, like maybe it's puffing up and it's preventing the airflow from the vents that are in the sides over there at the end. So I've got vents in the end of the roof over there, and I reckon it's probably those are doing part of this as well. So consider that, do some homework, have a look. Right now, I'm going to have a great Saturday morning and slotting this all over this crystal maze of an attic. All right, guys. And anyway, let me know how it goes in the comments and that. See you later. Like, comment, subscribe, everything else. See you in the next one. Alright, so I've put them in. I don't think I've staggered them enough, to be honest with you. Like, there's none like on this higher level up here, you know what I mean? Where there's definitely condensation. So over here, no joke, I've just stuck two of these random plastic things that I found inside. Should do the trick. But this is what's crazy, guys. Look. That there, that grey stuff, that's roof tile, isn't it? There's actual roof tile, like, just visible. 1 sec. Get my foot in right. There, that's roof tile, isn't it? Look. I didn't know that was my roof tile right there. Like, literally, just past this felt stuff is my roof. The actual tiles. That's crazy. Anyway, look at that. It's a little puddle. But that's because the water has run off this plastic covered thing onto the... I'm glad I cover most of my things in the attic in plastic now. I was doing it for dust. I didn't think I would do it for water. Okay, so I fitted the vents, okay, and I've also pressed down some of this insulation because I'm pretty sure that was blocking the vents that are like on the eaves of the house. Is that right? I don't know. I'm not a roofer. I'm not an architect. Don't care, to be honest. So yeah, I've opened up that part as well, so hopefully there'll be more airflow. That's great. This side, of course, I haven't put anything on there, so I might get some more vents. I will see how it goes. And my voice is going, but I'll see how it goes and we'll go from there, guys. But yeah, apparently this will solve the condensation problem. I mean, hasn't worked so far. But it's only been about 10 minutes. So right, catch you in the comments, guys. Let me know how it goes, and good luck with it. Hope it's not too far gone like that one looks. I will see you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Alright guys, just super quick, I realised I didn't show you guys how to actually install these vents. Okay, it's really easy. Like, okay, so that's how your roof already is. This is the vent. You slot it into the gap like that, and just literally just push it down. No effort, 2 seconds. Anyone can do this. Job done. All right, there you go.